हेलो क्लास, आज हम जो चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 9th ज्योमेट्री एंड दिस इज़ अ चैप्टर नंबर 3। सो चैप्टर नंबर 3 इज़ ट्रायंगल्स। और ट्रायंगल्स में क्या सीखने वाले हैं, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। और ये ट्रायंगल जो है इस स्टैंडर्ड 9th में इट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द स्टैंडर्ड 8, बट यहाँ पे हम जो ट्रायंगल्स के बारे में सीखने वाले हैं 8th स्टैंडर्ड के आगे का पार्ट होगा। तो that means let's study over here theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle and congruence of triangles, theorem of an isosceles triangle, property of 30 60 90 angle triangle, median of a triangle, then property of median on hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, then perpendicular bisector theorem, angled bisector theorem, and similar triangles. All these points we are going to cover in this chapter in standard 9th SSC board. So class, so in this case you will study the remote interior angles. This is a very important part, remote interior angles of a triangle. So for that let us see the first part. This one is a triangle PQR. You can observe over here angle P is there, angle Q. These two have a different types of notation. Here is dotted and here angle Q is line. But angle R the exterior angle. The exterior angle here we P, R and T. This one is the exterior angle. That means this part is an exterior angle. If you see, this exterior angle is the combination of these two, angle Q, this one angle Q, and here is angle P. That means angle PRT is equal to, here it is given that angle Q plus angle P. That means this PRT, for this PRT, this angle Q and P, they are the remote interior angles. So you can observe over here interior angle P, angle Q. So these two are the remote interior angle for this angle PRT. So here PRT is the exterior angle of this triangle PQR. So we can observe over here remote theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of remote interior angles. So in this diagram you can observe over PQRS. They have taken over here angle PRS, exterior of angle of triangle PQR. Therefore PRS, this PRS is equal to the angle P plus angle Q. That means exterior angle is equal to the sum of, here it is written sum of remote interior angle. No need to take this interior angle. Remote interior angle will be what? Angle P, and here is angle Q. So in sense we have angle R equal to which angle? PRT. Here we have to take angle PRT, angle PRS. Here we have a angle PRS equal to the angle PQR plus angle QPR. So this one is the basic theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle, and it's a universal truth for the angle exterior angle. If you can draw exterior angle on this side also, you can extend this side also, and here like this also, and this side you can also extend. All these are the exterior angle. This side, this side also exterior, this one is also exterior, this one is exterior, and you can observe over here this one is also exterior angle. So these are the exterior angle and interior angles of a triangle, and the relation between the exterior angle and remote interior angles of a triangle. Here we can observe, let us see the relation or the inequality by this remote interior angle and interior angle of a triangle. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Here you can see over here, we know that PRS, this one is the exterior angle, and we know that PRS, angle PRS is equal to the angle QPR plus angle RQP. It means what? For example, suppose let us take two numbers, any two numbers you can take over here, 10 and 11. Here 10 plus 11 equals to 21, and we have now 21 is greater than 10 also, and 21 is greater than 11 also. In same way, like this two number, we have angle PRS. Angle PRS is same as like a 21 equal to 10 plus 11. It means what? Angle PRS is greater than angle QPR, and also PRS is greater than angle RQP. That means this single angle is greater than P and greater than Q also. That's the relation. It is known as a inequality. This relation is known as what? Inequality. So same over here, PRS is greater than P and PRS is greater than Q also. So an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than remote interior angles. So sir, practice set 3.1. The question number 1 is, this one is given diagram A, B, C and D. Here ACD is exterior angle. It is given that ACD is exterior. By the property of exterior angle, we know that angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle CAB by the property of theorem on exterior angle of triangle. So here ACD we need to find out. ABC is given that angle B. Angle ABC is same as angle B. Angle CAB same as angle A. It is given that 40. Angle A is given that 70 degree, which is equals to 110. So angle ACD equals to 110 degree. It's the answer for this question. So just a straightforward question asked in this question number 1 by using the theorem on exterior angle of a triangle.